Split testing and A/B testing, optimizing landing pages, order forms, and funnels for better conversions. Unlock the secrets of conversion optimization with split testing in ThriveCart. Imagine having a crystal ball that reveals exactly what works best to persuade your customers. With ThriveCart's split testing features, you don't need mystical powers, you have hard data to guide your decisions and make every element of your sales funnel a conversion magnet. Here's how it works. 1. Create variations. Design different versions of your landing pages, order forms, or even entire funnels. Experiment with headlines, colors, calls to action, pricing structures, product descriptions, or any element you want to test. 2. Split your traffic. ThriveCart automatically divides your visitors evenly between the variations, ensuring a fair comparison. No need for manual calculations or complex setup. 3. Track performance. Monitor key metrics like conversion rates, click-through rates, and average order value for each variation. ThriveCart's analytics dashboard provides real-time insights into how each version is performing. 4. Identify the winner. After a sufficient testing period, analyze the results and determine which variation has outperformed the others. This data-driven approach takes the guesswork out of optimization and ensures you're making decisions based on what truly resonates with your audience. 5. Implement the winning formula. Once you've identified the most successful variation, apply its elements to your actual funnel. Discard the underperforming versions and reap the benefits of increased conversions and higher sales. Key benefits of split testing in ThriveCart. Data-driven decisions. Eliminate guesswork and make strategic choices based on concrete evidence. Continuous optimization. Constantly test and refine your funnel to ensure it's always performing at its peak. Improved conversion rates. Small tweaks can lead to significant increases in conversions, boosting your bottom line. Personalized customer experiences. Learn what resonates with your audience and create funnels that speak directly to their needs and preferences. Reduced risk. Test new ideas and strategies without risking your entire sales process. Remember, test one element at a time. Focus on testing individual elements to isolate the factors that truly impact conversions. Give it time. Allow sufficient time for each test to gather meaningful data. Don't jump to conclusions too quickly. Repeat and refine. Split testing is an ongoing process. Regularly test and refine your funnel to stay ahead of the curve and maintain optimal performance. ThriveCart's split testing capabilities empower you to create sales funnels that are scientifically designed to convert. Embrace data-driven decision-making and watch your business soar to new heights.